Is there any health checkup you have been putting off, or worrying a symptom you keep Googling but refuse to get it checked for? You might have FOFO, fear of finding out. In the context of health, fear of finding out about bad news about your health. This is a psychological barrier, and this stops millions from taking care of their health. It is not just about laziness or being busy. It's a real fear, and we need to talk about it. Say, for example, you wake up with a new, never before experienced soreness. You try to play it cool, convinced it will soon pass, but soreness persists. It does not go away and it continues to bother you. By this time, you know what exactly you should be doing. You should get it checked, consult a doctor, or investigate it. But still, you keep ignoring it with the mantra, it's probably nothing and it will disappear. Or you keep Googling the symptom but avoid doctor at all the cost. Or you are ignoring a worrying symptom just because you are afraid that what investigation might reveal. If you can relate with this, you are likely suffering from FOFO. And the FOFO is a common unspoken belief about if I don't take the test, then problem does not exist. This psychology of avoidance stems up from fear of diagnosis, where a serious diagnosis of illness feel like a life sentence, turning your life upside down within a fraction of second. Fear of process. It's not just about the diagnosis itself, but the fear of what comes next. Invasive test, painful treatment, overwhelming medical bills, and losing control over your own body and life. Fear of lifestyle change, where the diagnosis could mean quitting smoking, changing your diet and lifestyle, or taking medications daily. Fear of stigma and shame. FOFO is a dangerous game. Safety of not knowing is an illusion and it has a serious complications like delayed diagnosis. There are many illnesses like cancer, diabetes, heart disease, which are far more treatable when diagnosed early. FOFO can lead to delayed diagnosis, limiting treatment options, and reducing chances of full recovery. FOFO can worsen manageable conditions into serious health crisis, causing unnecessary pain and complications. FOFO can increase anxiety. When you don't know, mind imagines far worse than reality, creating a constant low-grade stress and fear. This FOFO can be paralyzing, but inaction has a cost and courage has a reward. Facing FOFO is the ultimate act of self-care. You can overcome this FOFO by following simple steps like change your mindset. Instead of thinking, I am inviting bad news, think that I am gathering information to take care of myself. Knowing is a first step of fixing, no matter what knowing is. Remember, it could be a good news. Mind loves to imagine worst, but honestly, it could be a small or any minor problem like a vitamin deficiency, or stress, or a strain. Take small step at a time instead of thinking about the whole scary journey. For example, first find out clinic's number. Next, you take appointment. And finally, you show up to consult a doctor. Celebrate each steps. You take someone along with you, your brother, your friend, or a partner. They can listen, ask a question, and just be there so that you don't feel alone. The anxiety of what if is far heavier than the clarity of what is. Be kind to your future self.